Mastering passive voice. May we ask a question? Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English grammar. We're focusing on forming passive voice questions, particularly using the modal verb, may. Understanding how to use may in passive voice questions is vital to making your English more polished and natural. So, let's get started. Before we focus on may, it's crucial to understand what a passive voice question is. In passive voice, the subject of the sentence receives the action, rather than doing it. For instance, was the book read by you? Is a passive voice question. The main action, read, happens to the subject, the book. Modal verbs are special types of verbs that express possibility, necessity, permission, or ability. May is one of these modals, often used to indicate possibility or to ask for or give permission. Now, let's get to the heart of the topic. Using may in passive voice questions. This typically comes in handy when you're asking about the possibility of something happening. Here are a few examples. May the ceremony be attended by me? May this door be opened? Note that this form is very formal and not used as frequently in casual conversation. Of course, the best way to learn is through practice. So, let's try some exercises. Transform the following active voice sentences into passive voice questions using may. 1. Can I use your phone? 2. Can she attend the concert? Answers. 1. May your phone be used by me? 2. May the concert be attended by her? Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from creating your own sentences. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on using may in passive voice questions. I hope this has made the topic clearer for you. Keep practicing, and soon, using may in passive voice will become second nature to you. Stay tuned for our next lessons, where we'll explore other modal verbs in passive voice questions. Happy learning, everyone!